this is what it's all about. September sunshine, a pool, a sunbed. I'm sorted. Wednesday morning, the 22nd of September, and we have just left Biscarrosse Plage, the surfing mecca, and we are heading on our way north. We've come actually in a little inland to go around the south of Bordeaux, and we are driving through the vineyards of the Bordeaux region now to our next campsite, and we should be there quite soon. It's a little independent French campsite, so we shall see what it's like when we get there. We are obviously off the main road, so we are driving the Bordeaux vineyard route. So basically every mile or so you'll drive past a huge vineyard of some chateau or other that goes on for miles. And it's a very pretty route to drive. All those vines. We are in wine country. Turn left. I'm having a look. Camping Chez, yeah, it's down here. Chez Gendron. That's it, Chez Gendron. Car coming. This is an enormous vineyard. Look at the side of this. Oh, I love it.
Turn right.
Oh, hello.
Then you have reached your destination.
Oh, it's right in the vineyard. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, lovely spot.
After 18 meters, you have reached your destination.
Here we are. Right, let's see if we can find reception and check in. Fingers crossed. And this is the campsite that we stayed at on our way through the Bordeaux region of France. This is camping Chez Gendron, and it is an AXI affiliated campsite. And if you come through just here, reception. Really, really welcoming. Speak great English, no problems booking in at all. This is quite a small but very intimate campsite. It's absolutely lovely. There are places to hire, the little cocoa tents and things if you don't have your own camper or caravan. This is the facilities block. Ladies and gents showers. Gents that way, ladies this way. Just 3 showers, but it's enough for this size campsite. All pristinely clean. Nice big locker area to hang your stuff. Temperature adjusted. Sinks. Woohoo! Lovely. Same on the gents' side. Loo block. It is shared loos between ladies and gents, not unusual in France. The loos are pristinely clean with toilet seats and toilet paper. Yay! Sink for washing your hands with soap, which has been a bit lacking on this trip, I must say. And then round this side, little seating area. We've got the pool area, I'll show you that later. Washing up sinks. Indoors. My wash it up. There's a washer if you want to pay to do your washing. Beautifully, gloriously sunny day again. There's a bowls court just there. And then just in here is a restaurant where they serve home cooked meals if you so wish. They have a changing menu daily. Beautiful. And the campsite is terraced on 3 or 4 different level terraces, and some of the plots are shaded and some of them are in full sunlight. A little children's play area with a tree house. Chemical toilet disposal. And there. And we are down here with this little terrace pretty much all to ourselves at the moment. Which is awesome. We feel like we've got our own little place of tranquility. Donkeys. This campsite has no entertainment, bells or whistles, anything like that at this time of year. It is just serene, laid back, absolutely perfect. And we were only supposed to be staying here one night. It was supposed to be a quick stopover, but we've enjoyed it so much at this campsite that we've actually stayed 3 nights because it's been lovely. And this is us on our pitch. Currently a little bit of sunshine. Excuse my washing, I've just done a whole load of hand washing. Lovely pitch, huge, nice and big. Water just there. It's on electricity. And for this pitch with the Axi card, it is costing us €16 a night. Really friendly hosts. And for this pitch and for this campsite, where all you can hear is the birds, and where we received an absolutely lovely and warm welcome from the owners, that's an absolute bargain. And we will be back to this campsite again, no doubt. Perfect. And this is the pool area of the campsite. This is the pool. It's a small pool, but perfectly formed. Not particularly heated, but do you know what? On a day like today, I don't mind that. It's nice to just get a dip and a cool down. And as you can see, I have the whole pool to myself. This is what it's all about. September sunshine, a pool, a sunbed. I'm sorted. And just to give you an idea of how relaxed this campsite is. Typical French campsite. Mr. Cockerel sitting on his attention sign every night, gets his perch, falls asleep, keeps guarding the loos. Not bothered by anybody. It's definitely his perch. You go, Mr. Cockerel. Good morning, good morning. It's another glorious, beautiful, sunny September morning. And we are at the campsite, and we've just left the campsite, and we're having a little bit of a wander around, walking. And this is what we're walking amongst. Look at those grapes. Look at those vines. So cool. We're just having a little wander. Why not? Walking among the vines. They're coming along. Bonjour. It's nice being in the shade actually. It's a very hot day today, even though we are at the end of September. Look at these huge bunches. I think they're definitely ready for picking. Yum. We're seeing a lot of these. We think they're chestnuts, but we're not sure. A lot of them are bursting out of their covers. Don't know. We know you can eat chestnuts if you roast them. Yeah, look. We'll have to look them up and see, because we're not sure. They're huge things, aren't they? Look at the size of them. I don't know what they are. Right, that's one for Google when we get back. Because if you can eat them, we'll eat them. We might pick some and roast some. Kind of gone a bit off piste. No idea where we are now. We're kind of walking in the woods aimlessly. But there is paths through the woods, so that's alright. There's definitely paths. Not that way, this way. If there's a path in, there'll be a path out. She says. Still just wandering about through the woods. Why not? It's really very pretty. And there's lots of things rustling around in the bushes. Who knows? So that was a lovely little wander for an hour just to stretch our legs. Just around the periphery of the campsite, and on a day like today that's enough. I think it's time to go and chill out by the pool with a good book. Are you filming me prepping the prawns burners?
Yep. We're having chicken curry tonight. We might throw a couple of prawns.
Yeah, a load of prawns. I'm going to have some for my lunch, I think. I'm going to have a prawn salad.
I was about to nick some.
They're looking good.
Yep, ham and prawn I'm having.